When Justin Trudeau launched his crackdown on protesting truckers and went directly for their bank accounts, insurance plans, and other traditional financial assets, people suddenly realized how vulnerable they were to leave their fates in the hands of financial institutions that were under the control of the government. While people were bemoaning Trudeau's actions, the crypto community was quite ecstatic for many reasons. 1. People had finally realized what they had been saying about the dangers of traditional financial institutions. 2. Many felt the Canadian Prime Minister had given the crypto space more publicity than it had seen in years. It's one thing for someone with interests in the space to tell you to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. It's another thing for a third party to show you just how much you need to invest in these assets. The second assumption was correct because several prominent people have realized just how important Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are. One more person has recently joined that list, and it is no other than legendary financier Bill Gross. Bill Gross earned the nickname the Bond King when he managed one of the world's largest mutual funds, mainly focusing on bonds. The New York Times previously hailed him as the nation's most prominent bond investor. In a recent interview, the Bond King, who was previously known as a crypto critic, revealed that he has invested in Bitcoin. I think we need an alternative to the dollar, as we have seen in the last week or two, and there will be several survivors, and I am invested to a small extent in Bitcoin. Though Gross did not reveal how many Bitcoins he has or when he invested in the asset, he is one of the last people you would expect to invest in cryptocurrencies. In 2017, Gross gave not one, not two, but 3 reasons why he didn't think Bitcoin was a worthy investment. Then, he believed that the coin could not serve as a substitute to fiat currencies or gold as members of the crypto community were claiming. It is not really a currency alternative at the moment, Gross told reporters almost 5 years ago. Buying a bag of groceries at the grocery store is going to be a little difficult, he added. He also believed that Bitcoin would not be able to perform well during an economic or geopolitical crisis. Lastly, he claimed that the asset's high volatility meant that it could in no way be regarded as a viable store of value. Less than 5 years after he made his case against Bitcoin, the King of Bond has invested in the very same asset. Like billionaire Ken Griffin, who recently admitted that his judgment of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has been wrong all along, Gross also seems to have realized that he made the wrong call. We are particularly excited about Griffin's statement when he revealed that he was wrong about the space. The billionaire and entrepreneur who is currently bidding for Chelsea Football Club recently described crypto as one of the great stories in finance over the course of the last 15 years. Crypto has been one of the great stories in finance over the course of the last 15 years, the billionaire recently told reporters. And I'll be clear, I've been in the naysayer camp over that period of time. But the crypto market today has a market capitalization of about $2 trillion in round numbers, which tells you that I haven't been right on this call, he added. While Bill Gross has joined the crypto camp, he is still quite unconvinced about the value of non-fungible tokens. In his interview, he compared the digital assets to Beanie Babies. The phenomena of NFT is the same way and reminds me of when my kids were collecting Beanie Babies, Gross stated. Gross also announced that he still trades GameStop and AMC, which he describes as lottery ticket stocks. If it took him this long to change his mind about cryptocurrencies, it is only a matter of time before he comes around about other digital assets. While he is comparing non-fungible tokens to Beanie Babies, which is not completely a bad thing, considering that some bears are now worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, we believe he will soon realize the value of NFT transcends that. Thanks for watching the video. Do you know any prominent person against crypto, and you can't wait for them to finally change their tune about the space? Ensure you drop your replies in the comment section below and smash the like button.
Today's episode is sponsored by iTrust Capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. We allow you to invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies without worrying about taxes. That's right, iTrust Capital allows you to buy and sell your favorite cryptocurrencies completely tax-free. That means if you invest $10,000 into Cardano and it grows to $100,000, all of your profits are tax-free. Why is it tax-free? We took the existing retirement account industry and flipped it on its head. Instead of boring stocks and bonds, you can invest in crypto. How is it secured? Through Coinbase Custody, one of the leading cold storage providers with a $320 million insurance policy to protect against theft, hacks, and loss of funds. Roll over your existing retirement account, or even start a new one from scratch. questions? Schedule a free call with one of our crypto retirement account specialists, and they can help you discuss your options. Start your crypto IRA today and retire early, only at iTrust Capital. Click the link in the description to open a free account now.
Till our next video, stay savvy.